waiting for my video to upload. My 360, which I've been mucking about trying to get sorted and uploaded onto YouTube for weeks now. So finally downloaded a trial version of Final Cut Pro 10.4 and that does 360 editing. So I've managed to edit it on that, and I'm waiting for it to load onto YouTube. Hopefully it will work. But while I'm waiting for that, I thought I'd have a look at this and see if I can make this tiger for Ben. Because he's in hospital at the moment because he's having trouble with his breathing when he sleeps. He's all right when he's awake, but his oxygen level goes down when he's sleeping, and he's wheezing. So when he sleeps, they have to give him oxygen. So he's been in for a couple of days, but I went to see him today, and I'm hoping to get this done, and then I'll take it in because he loves lions. He makes a roar when you ask him what sound lions make, and he's not even 2 yet. So yeah, so I got this from Aldi's for $3.99, as you can see, and I thought we'd unbox it while I'm waiting for my video to load. So apparently it has everything you need. So we've got orange wool, we've got some white wool, some black, and some sort of the yellowy body part of it. We've got the instructions on how to make it. There's the instructions. You get a crochet hook, and you get the stuffing. So it's all here. So yeah, so I'm going to have a go and see if I can make it while I'm waiting for this to load up. And as you can see, it's halfway. And it doesn't seem to be doing a lot. Very slow. Fingers crossed it'll be up and running soon. But meanwhile, and of course that will be on my other channel, the Page Family vlog channel, whereas this video will be on the my craft room channel. So yeah, so I'll catch you later. Bye for now.